Hello, hello, long time no see. It's been a little while for us and probably for you guys too, but we moved to a new place, and in the meantime we've been able to move over our CNC, and I've made a new enclosure for it because the old table was we just put it together real quick just to get it done, and now I had a little bit more time. The video may be up now or it may come up after this video, but I got a whole thing. I missed a few shots in there, but overall this is our new station for the CNC, and just gonna do the finishing touch right here, which is taking off the plastic for the acrylic, and then I've already got a project loaded and ready to go. And yeah, so here comes the plastic. What? Yeah, second. But so yeah, we're ready to go. And just to kind of give a little tour, still a few things I need to get for this, but right now this is our perfect latching system. It's beautiful, and still got to work out the shocks a little bit because I added a little bit more weight to it than I was expecting to. So for now, we've got our multi-purpose leveler here. Up a little bit more. There we go. There we go, as all things should be. Teetering on the edge of destruction. There we go. But this is it. I just got that mattress foam topper that you can get from Walmart, and got some LED strips from Amazon, and got this sounded in it as I can. And I need to get just a little bit more of that stuff for the vacuum chamber right there. Yeah, just got to get some to put it in that so that we're not disturbing our neighbors as much. But yeah, this whole thing is looking a lot better than that old table. It doesn't bow like the old one, and isn't as particle boardy. And yeah, so with that, gonna set this up and get going.
Yeah.